Now, what we also refer to as tea in English is anything anything made from growing a leaf like peppermint, it could be sage, licorice. That doesn't have caffeine. So anyway, so this is the tea and chocolate tasting. We started doing that a couple of years ago, but it's gotten so popular, and yeah, we're like today it's sold out. We're just waiting for it. Anyway, so one time I started drinking tea at age 3. This is a true story. So it was 10 years ago, I decided to review 37 chocolate bars in honor of my 37th birthday on Halloween of 2015. And I was specializing in what we call fine chocolate or craft chocolate, like chocolate that you're tasting today. And really what makes it different today from what you get at the grocery store is this is chocolate with a sense of place. It's trace. The cacao used in those in the chocolate is traceable, and I know the people making the chocolate, even if I've never met them in person. Actually, I have met everybody in person, so I take it back.
Then I'll get more tea. That's my turn.
Oh, wow.
Exactly.
And you just sit there and you can smell all the aromas of the tea. You see it? It's a little hot. See that? It's a little subtle. When it has like the chocolate, right? It's not overly sweet. It's dark. Not very petite. It pairs very well together. Very well. Go ahead, try it.
It smells so good. It's like earthy.
Yeah. You can smell the citrus. Can you smell the citrus?
Oh, I can't get past the earth part. It's so good.
Take a piece of the chocolate and let it melt on your tongue, and then. I'm not even joking. That's really good. Wow. Yeah. Wow.
Like it's like the hotness of the tea and the coolness of the chocolate is like the perfect
Balance.
yeah, balance.
It smells almost like it's brewed like a coffee. It has a coffee smell. You don't smell like coffee to you?
I don't think so.
It's me? Oh.
It's very similar to a
Okay. The census is maybe similar to a green tea. How's the chocolate?
Naturally, because it's not a dark chocolate. It's sweeter. And I feel little bits of coconut and oats in it. It is hot. So all of my taste buds burnt off. But I like the coconut at the end.
Okay.
The crunchiness at the end.
This is, what is it? Health and tea?
You see?
It's like dirt.
It is a green tea.
I don't like the smell.
See?
I don't like it.
You gotta bite the chocolate. Bite the chocolate. Yeah. Yeah. Now how's the chocolate?
Chocolate's good. I taste the coconut.
See? Exactly.
Chocolate's good. It's like chunky.
Yeah. This tastes like coffee. I don't know what it is. I don't know. Not the good stuff, apparently. No, it ain't it, right?
This is not my cup of tea.
It's not your cup of tea.
Not my cup of tea.
The tea, the chocolate, together, But this right here, the tea, the chocolate comes alive once it's settled on your tongue, and then once you add the tea to it, it's like spring in your mouth. It's like, oh, delicious. And I want to know why it's called Silk Rose. I said, I think Silk Rose has like a little oppressive history to it.
Right.
But
I know, I immediately think of the Han.
yeah, I'm like, good, but let's see. It's good. I think this is one. The third one is number one. The first one is number two. And the fourth one, the second one is just, no. Very simple, but no. What's the Mentos commercial? Mentos, the fresh maker. That one.
Fresh goes better. Okay, so it's good.
It's minty. It's strong.
Making your eyes water.
Yeah, it's a little bit. And I'm like, let's see. You can taste the orange. To be honest with you, I don't know what cardamom tastes like, but it's probably in there somewhere. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Hold up. Wait a minute.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Wow, okay.
It opens up.
Gotta say, it's way better than that.
This is way good.
This
Way
is a
gooder.
toss-up between one and 4 now.
Really? Okay. Now taste
I
the
love a
chocolate.
peppermint.
Yeah, it's a peppermint tea. Yeah.
It is 70% dark.
I said you like a dark chocolate. Together.
Look, I like my coffee, I like chocolate, and I like men.
All dark.
All dark.
All dark. No, you haven't. I've heard of cardamom before, but I don't know what it tastes like. To go, yeah, I taste it. Now that's what the so cardamom
the
tastes
chocolate?
tastes a little raspberry. Oh. Oh. Well, that makes sense. Yeah, okay, then that makes sense. So that must have been the flavor.
Everybody, it's your girl Sherry's Joy. So I just did a chocolate and tea tasting here at the lovely Scout Cafe in Wilmington, Delaware. It was a quaint little cafe, very French. It was like being in France without being in France. It was so cute in there. I would love to come back. The prices were beautiful. The service, the was just amazing, and the facilitator of the tasting was lovely, actually French herself, and the gentleman who runs the cafe was very friendly and accommodating, and they have sandwiches and coffees, and it's like a little gift shop in there too. It is beautiful. I highly recommend coming here. Again, the Scout Cafe. Scout. Here in Wilmington, Delaware, on North Van Buren Street. Please check it out. And as always, love the world.